I served under only one president, President George W. Bush. That said, I did have occasion to participate in meetings relating to military activity abroad, to the allocation of resources to certain law enforcement activities as opposed to others, and the like, and never saw any indication that what guided those decisions included any consideration of possible criminal prosecution by a subsequent administration for authorizing military action without proper basis or conspiring to obstruct the functioning of any one agency by allocating resources to another. I don't think that President Roosevelt considered or should have considered possible criminal prosecutions by a subsequent administration for what's now considered a shameful commitment of U.S. citizens of Japanese ancestry during World War II, with the active support, by the way, of the then governor of California, or for subjecting the saboteurs to a military trial when the courts were open. I think if one examines the historic record of controversial acts by presidents, it would be dangerous, particularly, although not exclusively, as to acts that impact national security, such as border or drug enforcement, to subject presidents to the constant threat of prosecutions for official acts when they leave office. And even more pointedly, I doubt that many people think that our country would be better off if prior presidents had in fact been subjected to those prosecutions. Now, many criminal statutes are broadly worded and could apply to the official acts of a president. For example, the conspiracy statute has been held to criminalize any conspiracy for the purpose of impairing, obstructing, or defeating the lawful function of any department of government. And as the Supreme Court has noted, virtually every president is criticized for insufficiently enforcing some aspect of federal law and could be hailed into court by an enterprising prosecutor for doing that. Now, we've never required presidents to function under the threat that their official acts might subject them to criminal charges under a subsequent administration. What's allowed our system to function is that even in doubtful cases, we have so far declined to become the kind of country in which incoming administrations take out their grievances against their predecessors by prosecuting them, and I don't think we should become that kind of country.